To feed a population of 10 billion in 2050, the world will need 70% more food than it did in 2009. Demand for global meat consumption is expected to increase by 76% by 2050. 50% of all habitable land today is used for agriculture, with 80% reserved for livestock. This is used to keep 1.5 billion cattle, 2 billion sheep, and 60 billion chickens alive. That is, until we slaughter to eat them. The suffering is catastrophic, as is the waste. There is enough food to feed the global population, yet 1 in every 9 person will go to bed hungry tonight. On a global scale, meat is responsible for 14.5% of all greenhouse gases. The main issue is inefficiency. This is where cultured meat comes in. There are startups that are producing plant-based steaks designed to mimic real meat. Here, the global market value of meat alternatives is expected to grow to 140 billion by 2029. The environmental benefits of 3D printed meat are substantial. By freeing up 25% of our landmass, we can start reforestation and slow global warming. From a circular economy perspective, 3D printed meat makes more sense as a viable alternative to traditional meat. It is an ethical, environmental solution to world hunger and is healthier and safer. Here, product innovations can be endless. Although startups have the technology and operational capability to produce cultured meat, they are focused primarily on the supply side, which is only the first half of the equation. The plant-based meat sector has seen exponential growth, yet consumer demand is the largest barrier. Consumers are extremely conservative, even fearful when it comes to food production technology. So, they are likely to voice concerns about safety and nutritional value like they did for genetically modified foods. Thus, the customer journey needs to be explored in great detail. Adoption of cultured meat as an alternative has the potential to disrupt various markets, supply chains, and will have widespread economic impacts. This includes effects on supermarkets, butchers, and farmers, how 3D printed meat will fit into existing supply chains, how startups will provide affordable options. Cultured meat technology faces a PR problem. We intend to solve it by tackling consumer pain points. Our proposal is for a business that develops a deep knowledge of customers, regulators, and stakeholders. We will leverage this expertise and key insights to bring cultured meat into the Australian market. Our proposal focuses on the second half of the equation to get a better understanding of how the cultured meat market operates. This would enable us to be the market leader and early adopter of this innovative 3D printed food technology. Our business solution will address and mitigate some of the most critical challenges faced on the demand side that these startups face.